Tinting guys, tulungin tayo. Ito pala yung kaibigan natin. Ang paano pare? Si Jess, taga saan? O taga Bicol to, mga kaibigan natin. Ba, mamaya may share sa business pagkakapirahan. Negosyo to pare, hindi to iligan. Ha? Gusto para lang TV vlogger. Okay dito sa barbers mo, napakalamig ah. Lagi maraming tao. Bago rin sa aircon. Ano mo to? Para ibig ko sa... Dito kay Lagi. Sa Parañaque area. What's up pala mga brown style dyan? Okay, ako na kalukawan ha. Sa mga tao dyan. Uli ko kayo. Alright! Idol ko sila yung Marcos. PLM. Fidel, Dario Marcos. Motoronda, shout! Lahat ng vlogger dyan. Lahat ng mga vloggers. Alright! Kaibigan natin to, si ano pa?
Jess.
Si Jess, Kuya Jess. Ano pa nga?
Alright, go on, get out of here. They ain't coming, get the out of here.
Tatlo ahit, tapos dito.
It's for you guys.
Karya natin.
My name is Gator Bodine.
Ahitin mo tatlo.
Too badly, sir. When you get a taste of what's going to happen, you continue putting this illegal substance in my neck of the woods. Look, man, what do you expect this here? It's for us. I don't doubt it. Just fun. The kids having fun, enjoying life, celebrating.
Shoutout, Bush 150 vlogger.
Well, I'm gonna warn you. I got a 5-gallon can of gasoline out my truck that I would happily pour down your throats if I ever catch you cooking and stinking up my town again. I don't want to kill myself. You will stand up
Alright.
and run in any direction you please. Just not this one. Alright, now get the out of
Alright.
here.
Shoutout, mga vlogger dyan. Hello mga, lahat ng vloggers. Si Kuya Motoronda, kaya pala Pareho TV. Ang palangga.
Kids suck.
Dito, may share ako negosyo dito, Ascendra. Ascendra International. Ni Boss Joseph Lim.
Watch out, here comes Merry Breakfasts.
Dad, run.
Now listen,
Nakalive po tayo ngayon.
proud you stood up for yourself. You should.
Live ba no hindi? Live. Post natin. Public tayo ha. Public. Public tayo.
Dad? Are you scared today? The truth.
There's nothing wrong with being a little scared.
Why didn't you look scared?
Lots of practice. I looked up.
Dad?
Yes.
What do you think of
Dito
his
sa
hat?
barbership yun, napakagaling.
That's
Ang
what you
sarap ng
said.
What
pagupit.
I mean?
Yes.
Mga guys!
I know exactly what you mean.
Good night.
Lagi lang ano, pagpuno, umaga tangali, di ba? Ulog ko lagi tangali at umaga eh. Hindi, ano na eh. Diba mga guys? Tuloy ang laban, galing na. Ang barbershop, ano yan eh. Kasama sa mga business na may galing yan. Extra income, sabi nga nila. Pasyaraw po ang may-ari lang. Barbershop dyan. Tuloy lang. Tuloy ang laban. Pati barbershop dyan. Mga kaibigan natin yan.
Well, I hate to say it, but putting
Hello.
everything on the ground ain't a good
Mas
thing.
marami 55 vlogger.
My name's Joaquin Key. I represent
Gareth was there.
I heard him say he was living in a living place. Over there and do some things.
What things?
Mess with their heads like you do everyone else. Scare.
Okay mo ka nila guys, doon sa mga nawawala sa bukyano. May justisya tayo. Mauli rin yung mga involved dyan.
Hey, Cassie.
Jubilation na eh.
The hell's wrong with
Sa pool kayo.
monkeys is what they are.
We'll go jumping.
I know. I need some. I need this.
Ay,
Stop my stomach from on. Do you need me?
No. I can control. You can control, right? I'll handle that broker thing.
Thank you.
Ako po si Sally Geronimo. Shelly, singer, actor, and performer. Like any other instrument, I have to take care of my voice. Meron ako laging dalang Neem Jong Pepakwa Syrup. Lalo na po, kung nakikita ko na scratchy yung throat ko at magkakasakit, para po sa akin, tutunan ang boses. At tiwala ako sa Neem Jong Pepakwa Syrup. Ikaw, anong kwentong Neem Jong Pepakwa mo? Neem Jong Pepakwa Syrup. Care for your lungs and throat.
Ano naman guys, paggabi tayo. Ay, hindi mo na brothers. Taga-Bicol dyan, ano naman taga-Bicol dyan? What's up? Alright! Ang daming yung mga barbero. Yung mga nakakasama ko, mga barbero dati, taga-Bicol. Marami ko sa bayan. Mga lapit ka na, siya. Di ba may negosyo ko, extra income para sa iyo, mga taga-Bicol. Ang daming apply yung mga taga-Bicol. Alam mo na, ang ganda ng buwan.
Planning his birthday parties, it's my specialty. I'd be happy to take care of it.
Ascendra International, pagkano siya ko sa'yo.
I'm pretty good with those things, Mr. Hammer.
Don't worry. I love it. It'll be fun.
Yeah, she really likes you, Susan.
It's a bit of a milestone, I'd say. Did you leave Toto sometime?
Of course.
I used to talk to her mum for hours. I think she'd like to talk to a woman more often.
Ingatan lang kayo mga guys.
One more thing.
God bless you.
People around here.
God be the glory.
Foolish